Welcome back to Markets Fatafat, and now let's move on to SBI Life. The company reported a steady results in the first quarter. The MD and the CEO of the company, Amit Jhingran, interacted with ET Now, and he discussed the company's growth outlook going forward. He also touches upon the issues of mis-selling and growth in bank assurance business. Listen in to an excerpt of that exclusive chat.
Our focus during the quarter, and in fact for last several quarters, has been on the product mix, so that our margin improvement metrics that we want to improve. And if you look at the numbers, our traditional products like non-participating products, participating and protection products, the contribution has increased in the product mix. So that has taken care of sort of the slightly lower, 9% and 10%, not much difference.
Okay.
So
what is the contribution of the non-par now after Q1?
So during the quarter, more than the non-par, the growth was in our participating product, because at the end of the last quarter of last financial year, we launched some participating product, especially in the child segment. So there was good growth in the child segment and participating product. We also had very strong growth during the quarter in protection segment.
Okay.
And this protection segment growth was strong in both group as well as the individual side.
VNB margin is 27.5%. So are you confident toward the 30%? Is the target for this fiscal?
So our guidance at the end of last financial year was also 26 to 28%, and we will continue to stick to that guideline.
Okay, 28%. Yeah. And sir, ULIP contribution is declined to 58% of AP. Is there the structural shift for this?
ULIP for last 2-3 years has been flavor of the market because of also the performance of the equity market, which for the last 1 year is somewhat like having volatile kind of situation. In that, we sensed an opportunity and strengthened our product portfolio in non-participating and participating products.
Sir, a lot of discussions going on for the bank assurance channel. There are reports also that IRDA may cap bank assurance for the parent bank. So, as per your discussion with the regulator, what is the latest development, and if there are any rules, IRDA come up with any rules, what kind of impact would be on SBI Life?
We have discussed this question earlier also, and the approach of the regulator has always been very consultative. All the murmur about the mis-selling, the banca and everything has been more in media than in any regular interaction with the regulator. Our approach has always been very customer centric, and during this period also we have had a very decent growth in the banca channel. I am sure that our position in the banca channel as well as in the agency channel is very strong, and we are confident.
All right, that's the management of SBI Life. Kunal, you have also picked out SBI Life for us. That counter has come out with its earnings, and all have beaten what ET Now was estimating. In fact, even the brokerage note, even Nuvama has hiked the target price for SBI Life. So clearly it is doing very well today, but also it has outperformed in the last few months also. So tell us on the charts from here on, where do you see the stock headed? What are the levels to watch out for in SBI Life?
I think definitely it has been one of the outperformer in the volatile market, and I think there is still some good upside left into the stock. So I can expect the all-time high for the stock on the higher end is 1900. So I am expecting again stock to touch that level on the upside, the mark of 1900. So the short-term view continues to be on the positive side. The recent swing low which the stock made 1775 on the downside, that should act as a stop loss for the stock. I'm expecting 1900, and once we break above 1900, it can even come towards the mark of 1980, 1990 on the higher end. So the view is positive. Keep a stop loss of 1775 on the downside.
Well, a view positive coming in for SBI Life, but on the screen we can see Sriram